So this is the Orico M.2 Magnetic Docking Station. It's a really handy device for expanding your storage or transferring data quickly from your M.2 SSD. As you can see, it has some great features. It offers 10 gigabits per second high-speed data transfer, magnetic attachment, and supports up to 100 watts power delivery. It is designed especially for mobile creators. If you create YouTube content and edit videos every day, this device can help make your workflow much faster. Now, if we flip the box over, we can see the available color options. It comes in silver, orange, and dark blue. You'll also find the detailed specifications, the input and output interfaces, and the 100-watt power input. It supports Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. When you open the box, you'll find several accessories included. You get a user manual or quick start guide if you're not familiar with the product. It also comes with a magnetic alignment ring, a USB-C cable, a small screwdriver, thermal pads, and some small screws. Everything you need to get started is included. The blue thermal pad helps with heat dissipation. You also get a double-ended USB-C cable, which is used for connecting compatible devices for data transfer and charging. Before we continue, I'd like to thank today's sponsor, keysfan.com. If you need to activate Microsoft Windows or Microsoft Office, you should definitely check out KeysFan. They offer genuine activation keys at very affordable prices, and the activation process is quick and easy. I've personally found it to be a budget-friendly option for anyone setting up a new PC, upgrading a computer, or reinstalling Windows or Office. If you decide to purchase a key, don't forget to use my discount code GPI62 at checkout to save even more on your order. Check out keysfan.com using the link in the description below. Thanks again to KeysFan for sponsoring this video. Now, let's get back to the docking station. And here is the main product, the Orico M.2 Magnetic Docking Station itself. It has a compact and stylish design. I have the dark blue version. On the side of the docking station, you'll find a USB-A port for standard USB devices. Next to it is a USB-C port, which supports high-speed data transfer and power delivery. Moving on, we have the memory card slots. On the left is the standard SD card slot, and on the right is the TF or micro SD card slot. These are great for quickly accessing files from cameras, drones, or other devices. Next are the audio and video ports. You get a 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone jack for your audio equipment, and an HDMI port that lets you connect to an external display for video output. Here we have the power and computer input ports. The port labeled PC in is used to connect the docking station to your computer. The port next to it is the 100-watt PD input, which lets you connect a power adapter to deliver up to 100 watts of power to the docking station and your laptop. On the underside of the device is the magnetic base. This is what allows the docking station to attach easily to compatible phones or other magnetic surfaces. Now I'll demonstrate how the magnetic alignment ring fits onto the back of your phone so the docking station can attach securely. Next, I'll open the docking station using the included screwdriver. If you want more storage, you'll need to install an M.2 SSD inside the docking station. The SSD is sold separately, and the price depends on the storage capacity you choose. Now that the case is open, you can clearly see the inside of the docking station. The top cover has been removed, exposing the internal circuit board. Right here is the M.2 SSD slot. This is where you'll install your M.2 SSD to expand your storage. Once the SSD is installed, place the top cover back onto the docking station and tighten the screws to secure everything in place. Now I'm placing the magnetic alignment ring on the back of my phone. Just find the correct position, press it down firmly, and smooth it out to make sure it's securely attached. After that, simply snap the docking station onto the magnetic ring. Then grab the USB-C cable and plug it into the USB-C port on the side of the Orico Magnetic Docking Station. With the cable connected, attach the docking station to the back of the Vivo phone, aligning it with the magnetic ring that we installed earlier. Now the docking station is securely attached to the phone. Finally, connect the other end of the USB-C cable to your laptop or computer to complete the setup. And that's it! I think this is a great device for content creators who record and edit videos every day. It makes expanding your phone's storage much easier.